Stay close, everyone.
Come on, Leo. This mall is beautiful. Let's explore. Leo, don't go too far. Let's go. Wait.
Ready to buy school supplies?
Yes.
What's happening?
It's only another drill.
Really? Dad?
Something isn't right.
Dad. Is that smoke?
Everyone leave now!
It's nothing. Why isn't anyone leaving?
We're leaving now.
Leo? My robot. Leo! Wait! Leo! 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 Leo!
Leo? Where are you?
Leo!
Leo? Where are you?
What's wrong?
My little brother is missing.
Missing boy. Blue shirt. Start searching now.
Please find him. Leo! Wait! I'm looking for my mom.
I'm sorry.
Everyone move to the exit!
My brother is still missing!
Leo! Please be okay.
Did you see a little boy in a blue shirt?
No. Get outside now.
Leo was here. I'm coming, Leo.
We found a little boy. Is it Leo? We're not sure yet.
Please. Dad.
Dad? It's too dangerous. I have to find my brother. We'll find him.
Thank you. Mom? Dad? Leo? Where are you?
We'll help you find them.
Please hurry.
Tell me about your brother.
He has a blue shirt, and he loves robots.
This was with him. He must have been here.
Check the toy store area again. We are looking everywhere.
Please find him.
Stay with me.
Okay. Mom. Dad!
was with you.
I tried to catch him.
We'll find him together.
We can't go inside.
You're right. Stop the video. There he is. We found the boy's location.
Where?
We are getting closer.
Please hurry.
Mia.
You're safe now.
I want my sister.
Child located. Leo?
Leo? We will go together.
Okay.
Leo. Mia. Leo. Are you okay?
I was looking for you. We are together now.
That's what matters.
Ha 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 ha. You went back for the robot? I thought I lost it. Toys can be replaced, but family cannot. I'm sorry, Mia. I'm happy you're safe.
Let's be together next time.
I will.
You made a smart choice.
I just wanted to find my brother.
Safety comes first.
I understand.
I was so scared.
You can keep it. No, it's yours. We stay together. Always. Today was scary.
Are you both okay?
Yes, Mom. I'm sorry I ran away. Thank you for saying sorry.
In crowded places, always stay close.
I will remember.
Today could have ended very differently. I'm proud that you're both safe.
I almost believed everyone. I thought it was only a drill.
It's okay to be afraid. What's important is making the right choice.
What's the first thing you do when a fire alarm rings?
Leave the building right away. Don't stop for toys. Go straight to the exit.
That's exactly right. Safety always comes first.
I'm glad we're home. Me too.
Fire alarms are there to protect us.
When you hear one, leave immediately and stay together.